full circle turn on.
Yeah, there's a power muscle motor in the back.
And that's what drives the transmission.
Yeah,
That's why it's so much
Wow. Look at that. Can I see that?
It's probably just a cobbled
I'm making a video real
It
quick.
sounds like a Heritage too, but it doesn't.
It's not.
Yeah.
How was this handle made? Was this?
It's custom, we believe.
This is before
It looks
they
like it's
started
one
making
piece of
Kirby,
cast
so-
aluminum.
It is.
The bottom of the motor housing.
And it's not a prototype. It's just some guy said, "I just want to put a Hoover transmission."
You remember the bagless Kirby conversion?
Got that patent pending.
Yeah.
Wow.
Same guy.
Oh, it has a geared belt driving the transmission.
Oh,
It's a
wow.
concept transmission.
That's what my.
Well, yeah, I
concept
recognize the
one is.
transmission.
If my grandmother had had that, she probably wouldn't have bitched so much about her tradition.
And the machine's just twice as big as it was before it
I know.
was added.
Yeah, but you can push it with one finger, though. There, turn it on.
Oh, yeah.
God, it almost even has a similar transmission sound.
To the G series.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
The concept one is stronger.
That's a beautiful plastic 3
Thing
bag.
is as jerky as a dial-o-matic, though.
Yeah. Yeah, but you can push it. I think that's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Transmission, it kind of goes slow.
Turn it counterclockwise. That's clockwise. Turn it the other way.
Hard to steer.
That is really good.
But I like the concept.
Oh my God, that's so cool. So this is the Jim Keeler conversion. Even kids can push a Keeler, it says. Wow.